Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video and happy Friday. I know we're in a odd location. We're not in my car. We're starting out at home. We actually just got back from Walmart. We're doing a Walmart Ibotta haul today and I just did not have time to film in the car with the little one. So we are filming from at home, at least for the intro portion. So we went to Walmart to do our Ibotta haul. I had a weekend warrior bonus of complete 10 offers to get $1. So I thought that was pretty reasonable. And then we all got a Bumblebee bonus, at least most of us did. Varies by account. It can vary by how many offers you have to complete to get the $10 bonus. I believe we have till next week on the 30th to complete it. Mine is super reasonable. It's only 29 offers to get $10. So completing 10 offers towards that today leaves me with 19 left to complete. So I think that will be super easy to knock out next week. So I think we're getting some great stuff at Walmart today. We're getting a lot of food items that we can use and just things that I think are very reasonable for our household. You know, with my Walmart hauls, I aim towards grabbing things that we will use unless it's a freebie. I mean, if I don't really like the freebie, it's not a loss for me because at least I got my money back. So yeah, I believe we have a couple freebies and of course just items that will benefit our household. If you're interested in the deals that I'm grabbing, just keep on watching. I do apologize for the lack of content this week. If you saw my community tab and over on Instagram, I did share that our AC went out Monday afternoon and we were in a hotel until Wednesday morning. Then they came to fix the AC, so we are back on track, have the AC blasting now. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and end the week with a little Walmart haul. So if you are new and just found my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you're here to shop with me today. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. We're gonna go ahead and catch some deals at Walmart. All of the rebate apps I'm using today are linked down in my description box, so if you're new to any of them and wanting to get some additional cash back, feel free to use those links. I believe I'm using, obviously, Ibotta. I think one offer on Fetch Rewards, Shopkicks, Swagbucks, Zardy, and I think I finally got the hang of Brandclub, so we're doing one little Brandclub deal. Coupons.com app using for reimbursement, and yeah, I believe that's everything, all the rebate apps. We're using literally all of them today. But yeah, like I said, I've gotten a little more comfortable using Brandclub, so I feel like I can start sharing some Brandclub deals now with you guys. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get into the store and see what we grab. So our first deal today is using the Zardy app. So I'm going to grab these great value broccoli florets at 98 cents. I'll pay that out of pocket and get back a total of $1.25 from Zardy, which would make this a 27-cent moneymaker. Just make sure you're scanning the product in store. You'll also get points for buying it, and then you have to do the follow-up product test later on within a week to get the remaining points. Next on my list was some of these strawberries. So this pound of strawberries is $1.98. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back for any fresh strawberries, making it $1.73. And this is something very realistic that we buy anyhow for the baby. He goes through strawberries like they're going out of style. So I'm definitely grabbing these. Next, I'm going to grab some Ragu Alfredo sauce at $1.83. I'm going to pay this out of pocket. I'll submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. And I have an offer on Fetch Rewards that's up to 3 redemptions for 350 points back, which is the equivalent of 35 cents. Makes it 98 cents and is a good pantry staple. Next on my list is a 3-pack of the Bumblebee tuna salad kits. So they are $3.93 at my store. I'll pay that out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back. I forgot to screenshot it. And then on Brandclub, I did a survey for $2.50 back, making the final cost 93 cents. A little tip with Brandclub, you want to make sure your product meets the amount of the survey. So the tuna was $3.93. I did a $2.50 survey, which means I'll get that $2.50 back. If the tuna was maybe $2 and I did a $2.50 survey, I'm not going to get that back. Hopefully that makes sense. Next, I'm going to grab some of the Clorox Disinfecting Mist. So I'm going to grab the refill here at $4.98. I will pay that out of pocket and submit to Swagbucks for $2 back for buying one. You can get $5 back for buying two. However, I just want one today. So I'll get $2 back there. Between scan and purchase kicks on Shopkicks, 515 kicks, which is the equivalent of $206 back, making it just 92 cents. My splurge item of the day is going to be on these Clorox Santivo wipes. I'm really trying to stock up on these because this is my absolute favorite disinfecting wipe. The smell is so good. So they're $4.74. I do have a 50-cent printable coupon I got from signing up on the Clorox website, so I would highly encourage you to do so. I'll pay $4.24. I'll get back $1 on Ibotta. And I did get back $1 on Swagbucks for buying any Clorox product. You can get, I believe, $3 for buying 2. However, in this case, I'm just buying 1 today. So it makes the final cost $2.24. A freebie I'm going to go ahead and grab today is on the Airwick single plug at $1.98. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to the coupons app for a $1.99 reimbursement, making it completely free. If you can find the 2 count of these, that would end up being a moneymaker considering the coupons app is offering $3.99 back. My store unfortunately didn't have any today, so we're just going to collect this little freebie. I have so many of these great value crescent rolls at home, but I'm going to go ahead and grab it again since Zardy is giving it to us completely free. These are the 8 count at 93 cents. I'll pay that out of pocket. Submit to Zardy for $1.54 back between the scan, buy, and product test points, which would make it a 61-cent moneymaker. So a couple more freebies I'm going to grab. I'm going to go ahead and start by grabbing that perfect peanut butter cup bar, the milk chocolate over there at $2.18. I'll pay that out of pocket and submit to Ibotta for $2.29 back, making it an 11-cent moneymaker. I was also looking for the core bar, the cookie dough, I believe. That was also a freebie after Ibotta. Unfortunately, my store doesn't carry it, but definitely check your Ibotta and see if you have that freebie and see if your store carries it to knock out another Ibotta rebate. We're grabbing some more Snickers this week at 98 cents. I'll pay it out of pocket and submit to Zardy for $1.25 back, making this a little 27-cent moneymaker. Apparently I didn't record this like I thought I did. But I went ahead and grabbed 3 of these frozen Miscellaneous. You have to grab 3 for the rebate. They're $1.08 at my store. So I'm going to end up paying $3.24 out of pocket, submitting to Ibotta for 75 cents. Makes the final cost $2.49 or 83 cents a piece. And it's a super, super easy lunch. Super excited to go ahead and get my hands on this Dove Care by Plants deodorant. It's $9.98, which is stupid priced. But I do have a $1 printable coupon I got from being on the Dove email list that I will use. So that knocks it down to paying $8.98 out of pocket. We'll submit to Ibotta for $5 back. And between scan and purchase kicks from Shopkicks, 1,725 kicks back, which is the equivalent of $6.90. That makes this a $2.92 moneymaker. And the only scent that was really appealing to me was that sandalwood one. The others just seemed a little too fragrant for my liking. I'm not even going to try to butcher the name of this toothpaste, but it is a freebie. So I'll pay $5.97 at the register and submit to Ibotta for $5.97 back, making it completely free. I was definitely very interested in that clean and white and charcoal toothpaste, so that definitely went into the cart. Probably not the greatest deal on some Degree women's dry spray. However, I am not as stocked in the women's deodorant department as I am in the men's in my stockpile. So I'm going to grab this at $5.78 today. I still have a $1.50 printable coupon from coupons.com. So I'll pay $4.28, submit to Ibotta for $2.25 back. And then between scan and purchase kicks on Shopkicks, 190 kicks, which is the equivalent of 76 cents, making it just $1.27. Last deal of the day is going to be on this Estroven Mood Boost. It is a 30 count at $10.88. Now online they were priced a little bit cheaper at $9 and some change. If your store price matches, I'd go off of that. My store unfortunately does not, so I'll pay the $10.88 out of pocket, submit to Ibotta for $5 back, and submit to the coupons app for a $5 reimbursement, making it just 88 cents. It's not a household need. However, I like that $5 rebate on Ibotta. It's a very high rebate that I just obviously have to add. That is everything we are grabbing at Walmart today. I think it's a lot of good stuff, and we completed our weekend warrior. I do want to note before we get to the final numbers portion, my final numbers are off by 50 cents. So it's 50 cents higher. Definitely just pay attention to when I put the corrections on the screen. I, for some reason, counted Brandclub giving me back $3 for the tuna instead of $2.50. So it just adjusts the price a little bit, but it's still a great haul and I'm super happy with it all. So we're going to go check out. Hopefully no coupon beeps today. I will let you guys know when we get home. All right, so we are back home from Walmart. We are also doing the outro at home today, and hopefully this location and lighting isn't too weird. We're doing it on the stovetop. And if you hear any background noise, commotion, it's the baby. He's eating his snack and watching Elmo. So this is everything we grabbed today. I really like this haul. Super simple, sweet, and items that we will eat. We do eat the Michelinas. Strawberries are the baby's favorite. They're an essential. I think these little snacks on the run are good for my husband and his lunches. And I've been really trying to stock up on the Santivo because that is my absolute favorite Clorox wipe. So even though it's not the greatest deal after the rebate, it's still something I want to splurge on. So I'm really excited for this haul. So I will go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So everything rang in correctly. We have the tuna salad. We have the perfect snack chocolate cups, the Airwick warmer, the Snickers, the toothpaste Estroven, the Clorox mist, the cleaning wipes, that coupon scanned fine, the Dove deodorant with that $1 coupon, that also scanned fine. Then the Degree with the $1.50 coupon, that went through fine, so no coupon beeps today. We have the 3 Michelinas, the Great Value crescent rolls, the Alfredo sauce, the broccoli florets, and the strawberries. Left my subtotal at $57.36. I did pay that out of pocket today. So $57.36 is what we paid out of pocket. Now I did hit my $1 weekend bonus for getting 10 offers. And then on Ibotta, in just offers here, not counting the Weekend Warrior, it was $23.51 back. So in total, $24.51 from Ibotta, which is insane. I love those high value offers, especially on the Estroven. And what was the other one? The Dove. Those were awesome. From Fetch Rewards, a total of 469 points, so 46 cents. That was 35 cents for the Ragu, and then additional points for some other things. And then Swagbucks, we got back a total of $3.06. So we got back $2 for the Clorox mist. I did get my $1 back for the Clorox wipes. I figured I would because it didn't have any specifications except that it needs to be 35 count or higher. And then I got 2 cents back for any toothpaste, 2 cents back for any receipt, 2 cents back for strawberries, so $3.06 total. From Shopkicks, we got back 10 walk-in kicks for walking in Walmart. Between the 2 deodorants and the Clorox was 65 scan kicks. I did remember to scan in store today. And then we got back 2,360 purchase kicks between those 3 items. So $9.74 factoring in the walk-in, the scan, and the purchase kicks. From Brandclub, we are pending $3 back for the Bumblebee tuna, which Brandclub has been taking about a week to process my receipts. Even though I sync and refresh every day, it still takes about a week to get back my money. So $3 back for that. From Zardy, a total of $4.04 for the crescent rolls, Snickers, and what was the other thing from Zardy? Oh, the broccoli florets. And then the coupons.com app, I am submitting for $5 back on the Estroven and then $1.99 back on the single Airwick warmer. I would have loved to find the double one because online it said it was about $2 or 40 cents. And we have $3.99 back on that app. So I thought that would be a decent moneymaker. Unfortunately, they only have the single one, but that was just a nice freebie. So without the coupons that we used today, our subtotal would have been $60.36. We only used 3 little coupons today. But we got it down to $57.36 out of pocket. But this all retails for $60.36. The final cost for everything after all these rebate apps are factored in comes to $5.56, or about 32 cents a piece for 17 items, which I still think is very, very reasonable coming down from $60. I mean, the Clorox wipes alone are about $5, so it's kind of like I paid for those and got the rest for free, and I will not complain about that at all. So I am super happy with this small but mighty haul. Let me know if you're doing any weekend shopping at Walmart to complete your weekend warrior, if you're doing any of the deals I shared today. Thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and supporting my channel. It truly means a lot, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!